Alright, what's going on guys? It's Jeffrey back with another video, and in today's video we are going to talk about what is technical analysis in price action. Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to be talking about what is technical analysis in price action, and this is actually the strategy and trading method that I use personally. Real quick guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button right below this video. I post daily educational videos as well as weekly analysis videos on the markets. And with that being said guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright guys, so let's talk about technical analysis. What is technical analysis? And a very simple definition of technical analysis is just a financial analysis that uses patterns and market data to identify trends and make predictions. So that's just a very simple definition of what technical analysis is, but it actually consists of a few more things. So the specific thing that differentiates my technical analysis and the strategy that I use versus regular technical analysis is I don't use any indicators. So I trade based off of pure price action. So if you're someone who's going to use technical analysis in your trading, then one of the most important things you need to look for is the trend. What is the trend of the market? Is it making higher highs and higher lows? So you have a high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This would be a bullish trend. So uptrend, bullish trend, that's how you would identify this here. Now, if you have a chart that's making lower lows and lower highs, then you would classify this as a bearish trend or a downtrend. So the most important thing, guys, in technical analysis is you want to make sure that you identify the trend on a higher time frame first. So is the trend bullish or is the trend bearish? And it's very simple. All you have to look for is the chart making higher highs like this here, or is the chart making lower lows and lower highs like this chart here. Alright guys, so in addition to identifying the trend, there are a few different types of charting methods that you can use. So you can use bars or you can use candles. So a bar is very simple. A bar looks like this. It's a bar, and what you're looking at is bars. So for this example, the open would be here, the close would be here, the low would be here, and the high would be here. So if the open is above the close, then you know this is a bearish day. Now it would be the opposite for a bullish day. You would have the open and then you would have the low. So if the close is above the open, then you know that you have a bullish day. So this, bullish, this, bearish, okay? Candlesticks look a little bit different. Candlesticks are more like this. They have a body, so the body is the middle of the candle. And then you have these two lines that come from the top, and these are called wicks. Whenever I'm focusing on price action, I mainly focus on the bodies of the candles, and that's what I'm trying to trade within. So for example, if it's a daily candle, I'm trying to trade within the body of the candle because that's usually where the most movement is. And the wicks are typically a little bit smaller movement. So in this particular example, let's say the low will be here. Now this is the open. And then up here you have the close. And then right here is the high. The wick would be the high. Alright, so that's a bullish day. Now a bearish day is going to be the opposite of that. You're going to have your open at the top, your high here, your low, and then your close is going to be right there at the bottom. Okay? So again, this bearish and this candle here is going to be bullish. Whenever you're looking at your chart and you're doing your technical analysis, you want to be analyzing from a higher time frame, such as the daily or 4-hour, and you're going to be making a prediction based off of what you think the next candle will be. Will it be a bullish candle or will it be a bearish candle? And your whole goal is to get in around, if you're looking for a buy and you're looking for a bullish candle, your whole goal is to get in around the low or near the open, and then you want to ride the trade until it gets to the close or near the high, which would come in at a level of resistance or something like that that you would exit at. based off of your trading plan. So with all that being said, guys, let's go ahead and we'll take a look at some charts, and I'll give you some better examples of a bullish trend, a bearish trend, and what candlesticks and what bars actually look like in chart form. All right, guys, so now that we're looking at the charts, for this example, we're going to use the dollar index, and we could see that since April 18th, we've made a low, and since then we've been trading higher. We've been making higher highs and higher lows, so we identify this as an uptrend or a bullish trend. Now, if we look at something like Euro USD, for example, which is inverse of the dollar index, we can see that the market is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. We know that this is a bearish trend or a downtrend. And you can also see that we're looking at the chart that has candlesticks, right? The down candles are represented as bearish candles or down days, and the green candles are represented as bullish candles or up days. So you can see that these are candlesticks. Now, if we change our candlesticks to bars, you can see the red bars are down candles or bearish days, and the green bars are up candles or bullish days. And you can see here we have the close below the open. Every time the close is below the open, we know that we have a red bar, which is a bearish day. Now, for a bullish candle, we could see that we have the open and then we have the close up here at the top, and that represents an up close or a bullish day. Now, I find it easier just to read candlesticks, so I use candlesticks. I don't really focus on bars. But if you find bars a little bit easier to use in your trading, then go ahead and use bars. Be sure, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, to leave a thumbs up, as well as leave your comments below on the most interesting thing that you learned, and I will see you in the next video.
After this track, I might need me some lozenges. I ain't about to go soft. This rapping shit lately been pissing me off. Guess these words are kinda just at the tip of my tongue, but I'm still young and I hope I find the rhymes that'll live through time before that fat lady has sung. Cause when I'm inside this booth, feels like I rule the world, but I'll hop off my horse, hop in your Porsche, give it a